Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let's take a look at the scientific reasons behind why our type 4 hair is so dry and on how to fix it. So please like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this type of content because I upload new content every week. So it's known that type 4 hair is prone to be very dry, and that's actually also a main factor in why our hair has difficulties in growing, because dry hair is more prone to break off. So what is the science behind why our type 4 hair is so dry? Let me explain with this animation. Now, our scalp produces a natural oil called sebum, and this oil keeps our hair naturally shiny and it keeps our hair from getting dry. As this oil is being produced, it glides down our hair strands, but as you can see, it's more difficult for type 4 hair strands to actually guide the oil down our hair strands because of all the coils and the kinks, and as opposed to straight hair where it just glides down easily. And that's why super curly or coily hair is prone to be more dry, while on the other hand, straight hair is prone to be more greasy. So now we know why our hair is so dry. Now let's take a look at how we can lend nature a hand in getting it moisturized. So to start off, when you have type 4 hair, it is very important to deep condition. Not just a regular conditioner, no, you have to deep condition because our hair is naturally dry. So we are going to need something more than just a regular condition. Just try to deep condition. I feel like a lot of people depend on product alone to moisturize your hair, but you can have the best product in the world and it's still not going to work out at its best if you don't know how to use the right moisturizing method to actually moisturize your hair. So to know which moisturizing method works best for you, you have to know the type of porosity your hair has, because when you know your porosity, you know how to keep or get your hair moisturized. Low porosity hair has hair cuticles that are tightly shut, so it's hard for water or products or any kind of hydration for that matter to actually penetrate your hair strands. And the way to open up your hair cuticle is to use heat when you are doing your hair. So you have to warm up your products before you're going to use them. Make sure that when you are washing or deep conditioning your hair that you are using warm water. When you are deep conditioning, try to deep condition with heat always. This is really key when you have low porosity hair. I know there's a lot of people out there that do not really use heat on their hair because they're afraid of heat damage, but I think when you use heat in the right way, it can be really beneficial for especially low porosity hair. By the way, if you want to know your hair's porosity or if you're not sure if you're low porosity, I have this video I will link at the top, and it's a video in which I try to demonstrate how low porosity hair actually looks and how it acts like. One thing that also helps in raising the hair cuticle is using an Aztec clay mask, because there's a certain percentage of alkaline in this product, and alkaline is known to be an ingredient that helps to raise the hair cuticle. Now don't ask me about the specifics on how it actually works or if other clay masks work the same way. I just know that it works with the Aztec clay mask and that it just works for me. I'm making a video pretty soon on how I use this Aztec clay mask to moisturize my hair, so if you want to check this out, please subscribe. For high porosity hair, it's the opposite, because your hair cuticles are open or you have gaps in your hair strands, so you want to lock your moisture in by closing or sealing your hair cuticle. One way to do that is by rinsing your hair with cold water after you deep condition. because the cold water will help you in closing your hair cuticle, so you are really locking the moisture in. Another way to make sure the moisture is sealed in is by using an oil after you have applied your moisturizing products, because the oil will work as a sealant. And doing protein treatments is also very beneficial for high porosity hair, because the protein will help in strengthening your hair strands and it will fill those gaps. Now, if you are one of the lucky ones and you have medium porosity hair, this means you are blessed, because then you have no problem in keeping or getting your hair moisturized if you have the right products. If you just have the right products, you can basically just go on and live your best life. So that's it for today. Let me know if you have any other tips on keeping or getting your hair moisturized, and please like and subscribe. Bye.